Hi, first I'm going to take you through a quick guide of primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structure. Primary protein structure is the chain of amino acids that are connected together. In the image here, the amino acids are represented by dots. The secondary structure is referring to how the amino acid's main backbone, aka the peptide backbones, interact with each other and what shape they take on. All you need to know is that this is a beta sheet and this is an alpha helix. Tertiary structure is the three-dimensional shape of the protein or folding pattern. This is determined by the interaction of the unique part of each amino acid and how they interact with each other. And finally, the quaternary structure is how each protein interacts with another protein, and then these form a complex. Now over to Primol to explore the fibroblast growth factor 2 or FGFR2 protein. This is the FGFR2 protein. It's 219 amino acids long and weighs approximately 25 kilodaltons. The FGFR2 protein is located in the cell membrane. The FGFR2 protein contains 19 beta sheets indicated by the yellow flat arrows here, and 3 or 5 alpha helixes indicated by the red swirls here, depending on what secondary structure they take up. And they can also include 2 disulfide bonds indicated by the green and yellow spheres here, and the yellow and purple spheres here. Now I'll show you the whole receptor. The FGFR2 receptor is made up of 2 FGFR2 proteins which slightly differ. Their amino acid chain is the same, but their secondary structure is different. As I mentioned earlier, the FGFR2 protein can have 3 or 5 alpha helixes. This one has 5, indicated by the red swirls, and this one has 3. Moving on, I'd like to point out the sections highlighted in purple here and here. This is the hairpin binding domain of the receptor. When the signaling protein fibroblast growth factors come into proximity as well as their cofactors, they will bind to this purple section, creating a large protein complex called the ternary FGF1 FGFR2 heparin complex, which I can show you here. And these are the FGF1 proteins, or fibroblast growth factor proteins. Below you can find more information on how the structure of the FGFR2 protein results in function within the human body.